Well, YouTube, I got the record player and I got a record on. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some music. Now, like I said in every one of my record player videos, nope, I'm not trying to. I'm just gonna do this for background music, so no violations intended of copyrights. I'm just making some background music just for this video. If I have to, I'll go ahead and turn down the record player. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some music because I got something really cool to show y'all. All right, let's make sure the music starts. All right, there we go. Let me turn it up a little bit, but not too much because we don't want to get dinged. Y'all remember seeing this? The cyan egg maker? We're going to use that. We're going to use that. Let's set this up. I don't know if y'all can see this. But it's not going to be balanced enough. Let me go ahead and move this, because I got something really cool to show y'all. Alright. There we go. Set y'all up right here. Didn't intend for that to happen. Let me get this. Show that, guys. Alright, there we go. Bring this to the front. Alright, there we go. Alright. We're going to see how this works on eggs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put it in. There we go. I'm not going to plug it in just yet, because I'm going to... Alright, there we go. So, alright, there we go. Make sure that's in. I'm going to come over here. Just make sure it's going to be... Alright, there we go. We'll make sure that's... Alright, there we go. I'm just going to set this up right here. Now, alright, let's make sure that doesn't drop. Let me bring that in. There we go. Alright. We're going to demonstrate the egg maker, and we're also going to demonstrate the blender. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab I've never done this before. Gonna close this back up. I know y'all not seeing me right now, but oh, good. Alright, here we go. Alright, there we go. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over here, crack some eggs, put it in here. Hope y'all can see this. Crack on the edge of the... There we go. Now let's crack it into the bowl. Or the cup. There we go. Yeah. Nice. We're going to put those in the egg maker. First I want to show y'all the blender, because that's what y'all are dying to see. Like I said, we don't have the whisk, but we do have the blender. We're going to try and blend. Just clean my hands off real quick. There we go. I've never done a video like this. But this is y'all's first time seeing this, so it's going to be good. Alright, crack it on the edge of the egg maker. Actually, I did do a video where I was peeling an egg, but I've never done a video like this, where I was actually making a concoction, putting it together. There we go. Alright, there we go. So, there's that. Go ahead and clean my hands off again. There we go. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and just dry my hands off real quick. Sorry, I know this is not the best way of doing it, but that's how I'm gonna do it. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and plug the blender in. Let's move this over here. All right, here we go. Let's plug it in. Make sure everything is on. There we go. Oh, remove this egg maker over here for a second. Or the cyan egg maker. All right, we're gonna plug this in. Make sure it works. Or we know it works. I'm just gonna go ahead and check it just to make sure that it works. And we're all right. You know what? Let me do this. Hold this in this hand, and we'll plug it up right here. There we go. All right, 1 second. There we go. Turn it the right way. All right, there we go. All right, it works. All right, so what we want to do is we want to go ahead and immerse this in. I'll move that cord out of the way. I don't want that getting blended up in the mix and the blend. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and immerse this. What we want to do is we're going to make sure that's, we're going to use the bottom. So here we go. Alright, there we go. Awesome. Alright. So y'all just got to see the blender in action. There we go. Go ahead and take that out. Alright, there we go. Let's go ahead and unplug the blender. Alright. Set this over here for now. So I forgot to mention this blender is red and my egg maker is cyan, so that's pretty cool because red and cyan go good together. Alright. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray this down with olive oil. So I'm going to go ahead and mess up the Tupperware doing that. Alright, there we go. There we go. Got to make sure that's in front. That way I can see it when I put it back in the cabinet. There we go. There we go. Awesome. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this back up here. Awesome. Alright, now to pour the blend in the bowl, or the egg maker. Oh, there we go, yeah. That's just the blend. Yeah, see that right there? See that right there? That's the blend right there. That's the blend. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put it in. If I can do this. Make sure I got it over the bowl. There we go. And make sure that's blended in well. Awesome. Alright, we'll go ahead and clean up my hands a little bit. So I just put some, I was mixing eggs while I was blending. Alright, there we go. Alright, now let's go ahead and, this is not the best way of doing it, but I'm just doing this for now, just for demonstration. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the sink. Alright, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and put this on. Make sure that is on. There we go. I was actually making an omelet. Well, first time making an omelet. Hopefully this turns out good because I just used the blender to do it. Anyways, we're going to see how this works. And this is going to be cool because what we're going to do is plug this in. turned the wrong way. There we go. Like I said about the music, guys, sorry if there's no... It's not trying to get dinged or anything, but that's just it. There we go. Now all I have to do is just push the button down here, and you'll all be able to see that. That's the cyan egg maker. When we push that button, the blue light will come on. There we go. And there it is. That's a preparation of eggs with the blender. With the Bella Immersion blender. Alright, thanks for watching, and more to come later.